Hey guys, every time somebody comes to Canada, they always ask me, where can I buy electronics? Well, I'm going to show you exactly in this video. So the very first one is Best Buy. Best Buy I consider the best one just because their prices and their promotions online. If you go to the store itself, sometimes they don't update their actual prices in the store, so everything might seem a little bit expensive. So I always suggest looking at their website first, okay? So just go to the website and then compare prices from the websites that I'm going to show you. The very first one, like I said, is Best Buy. So let's just go into computers and accessories, for example. And here you guys can pick out whatever you guys want. So let's say laptops. You guys are looking for a laptop. You guys will see the specials right away. And then you guys can pick out what you want. Obviously, you guys can search up here, see exactly what you want. Best Buy is pretty good if you guys shop online, for example. So if you do have a place to stay and you guys have, you guys are staying here more than 2 weeks, then I would suggest just buy it online and then have it delivered, because Best Buy, usually for me, it's always taking 2 days for shipping. So it's really great. And if something's wrong with whatever you guys got, you guys can always return it. Now the return policy is really cool, so I would check that out. So just go into the website, check out the return policy. It's really easy to read. It's really well designed. Okay, so that's why I like Best Buy. Just a warning, if you guys buy an external hard drive, for example, and you guys open it up, you guys cannot return it. Versus a computer, if you open it up, yes, you can return it. I think you have 14 days. But again, just check out their website. The second store, that's not a store, it's eBay. So if you guys do spend, let's say, a month or two in Canada, then maybe go into eBay and search for stuff and just have it delivered. Again, that's just because for accessories. So if you guys want a case for your iPhone, if you guys want wires or anything like that, it's better eBay. If you want accessories to buy in Best Buy, for example, that's very expensive. I would only buy stuff like computers, maybe iPhones and other stuff like that. But accessories such as wires, cases and all that, just do eBay. Hopefully you guys are staying here for a little bit more than just, a few days. If you go right here, Canadian Tire. So Canadian Tire doesn't have that many electronics, but whatever they do have on sale, they're pretty good sales. So that's why I recommend Canadian Tire. They mostly have tools and stuff like that, not really electronics. So if you guys are looking more into tools, Canadian Tire is one of those that's a mix of the two. So I really recommend them. Again, go to their website. Don't waste your time going to the stores. Go to the websites, check out prices, compare them, and then keep going. Now, you do have Walmart. Walmart's huge everywhere. Their website sucks. So that's what's bad about them. If you go to their website, it's almost wasting your time because there's a bunch of stuff there that they're not even selling. It's just really badly made because you might search for a computer, you might find it, and then they don't have it on sale, or they don't even have it, but yet it's on their website. So it's really weird. Walmart's one of those places that you have to actually go and see what they have. And for electronics, not the best place, but I had to put them here because they do have good specials for Black Friday. That's about it, really. I've never bought anything from Walmart, like a computer, because their prices just don't add up. So it's better usually Best Buy. Now, if you guys want to buy something secondhand, so something used, then you guys can go to Kijiji. Kijiji, this website's pretty cool, so you guys can check out, let's say you guys want an iPad, so you guys can write it down. Then you guys have to pick whatever city you guys are at. So if you guys are in Toronto, Markham, Saga, just pick that, see what's close to you, check this out, and then just message the guy who's selling it. I don't recommend buying anything from used that's from a store because they're usually refurbished. Even if it's not refurbished, but it's from a store, that means that you don't know how many people that iPad, for example, has gone through. So it's just better to buy it from the person itself, so directly from them, because people are always updating their iPads, iPhones, so they're always trying to get rid of their old ones. Okay, just make sure to test them out. So to check out if iPad has any warranty from Apple, you guys can go to this website as well, and here you guys can write in the serial number and check it out. Okay, so never buy. If you guys want to be sure that it's okay, just make sure it has some warranty left on it. All right, so that's for secondhand. Right here, Kijiji. Also, something that's picking up big time is Facebook Marketplace. So if you guys go to Facebook Marketplace, again, I'm showing an example of an iPad. That's just because. And you guys can use any keywords right here, like computer. And you guys can see computers that people are selling. Again, you guys can message the direct seller, and that way you guys can get the computer. All right, so you guys just have to make a place where you guys can meet and always test out everything that you guys buy that's used. Never just buy it because there's no more battery left or something like that. Those are usually scammers. If they're in a hurry, that means they're a scam. Yeah, 100% of the people who have tried to scam me, they're always in a hurry, so I can't test out their product. So that's usual scams. So just stay away from those scams. But in general, people are good. So they sell just their old stuff because they got something new. All right. So those are the two big places. So Kijiji Facebook Marketplace. And then if you guys want something used that's from Apple, again, we're going back to Apple. You guys can check out Apple's website. And this is refurbished stuff, okay? So refurbished in Apple doesn't always mean that they actually fixed it. It could be open boxed and they classified it as refurbished. So anything that you guys buy from Apple that's, let's call it secondhand, it's always gonna look brand new, okay? There's not gonna be a single scratch on it, and you guys have Apple warranty. Here again, you guys can look for iPads, watches, iPods, whatever you guys want from Apple. A lot of people ask me about Apple. That's why I'm focusing so much on Apple. Anyways, again, I showed you already this website where you guys can check out the coverage, and that's from Apple itself. And then those are the top websites that you guys can check out stuff. Now I'm going to show you the very last ones that you guys could compare stuff, but I never buy from just because they don't usually have good specials. So I had to mention Staples because they're so big, but Best Buy always beats them. So it's really, really rare that you would find something in Staples. However, I had to show you the website just in case so you guys can compare prices regardless. All right. Now I do have to mention that most of these stores, if not all, they price match. So if you find something cheap in another store that's the same brand, same model, and then you go to Walmart, for example, they will price match that for you. So that means they'll charge you exactly what the other store is charging for that. Okay. So obviously you guys have to have proof. So go with your phone, go to a website, and then they'll see if it matches up. Anyways, so I have to show you Staples. I have to show you the Source. The Source usually very, very expensive. However, when they do have specials, again, I've only bought from here an Xbox controller because that was actually cheaper here in the Source than Best Buy. So that's really rare again, but it did happen. So I'm showing you the Source. And the very last one, I'm showing you Kind of Computers. Kind of Computers, they have refurbished and new stuff. I usually don't buy stuff from here, but if you guys are really into computers and want parts, this is the place to go because Best Buy will have more expensive parts than Kind of Computers. All right, and Kind of Computers tends to have more specials, but usually it's stuff that's refurbished, and that's why they have all those specials. But again, parts, it's Kind of Computers. So if you guys want computer parts, this is the place to go. Again, look up online, then use Google Maps. Google Maps here works really great, and you guys can check out what's close to you and in your area. You can even type in Google Maps electronics, and it's gonna show you what stores sell electronics around you. Anyways, that's it for this video tutorial. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them down here in the comments area, and don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.